Hello, everybody. My name is Stephen Jackson. I am the owner of People's Depot Podcast and People's Depot. I want to thank you for viewing my videos. We posted a video about gold and silver 2, maybe 3 days ago, and we've had almost 400 views. I want to thank you for viewing our video. Out of the gazillion videos that are on YouTube, it is truly a compliment and a privilege to have people to view your video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep doing what I'm doing. Because you're viewing the video, you're letting me know that this is the subjects, the material that we actually share with our audience is something that our audience is interested in. At People's Depot, we're all about helping businesses grow and helping businesses start making money, whether it be offline or online. We have world-class training, world-class resources, and insanely profitable niches. Our goal is to share all that information with our audience so that they're able to create a livelihood or expand their livelihood for themselves. All the time you hear about people presenting something to you on how to make money, but you would need to buy this. You buy this training or buy that training. Well, my goal is to present the information to you for free, to give you an information so you can make an informed decision so that you know which way to go or what's best for you. Sometimes there are a lot of good products online. The problem is there's so much noise or information around the product that you can't choose what is good for you. I intend to correct that. We've been talking about gold and silver, and I've been giving detailed information about gold and silver, what it is, what's a bullion, what's a numismatic coin, things that people need to know. What I'm going to do now is start showing how the average individual can acquire this so that they can build a legacy and wealth for their family, and also how they can make money acquiring gold and silver. When we think about collectible coins, we think about that's only for the rich, or we think about why collect now? It's not going to do any benefit for me now. I need money now. And that is the cry of many families. Well, with gold and silver, you can make money now. And we intend to share that information with you on how you can do it. So please stay tuned, listen to our upcoming videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel of the People's Depot, subscribe to it. Every video that you see at the end, there's an invitation for you to subscribe. Please subscribe. The information is free. Why not take advantage or avail yourself of free information while it's there? I certainly want to do all I can to help you grow your business or grow your livelihood. And again, I want to thank you so much for viewing my video. It is a privilege and an honor to have you, the viewer, view our video. So again, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. You're going to see an invitation at the end of this video helping you or suggesting that you subscribe to our channel. Please take advantage of it. Take advantage of this free information that we are making available to you. Again, subscribe. And the only other thing I have to say is, see you later.